Come children, shall we learn a new topic today? We'll start the class with an activity. Mix a pinch of salt and sand in the given glasses of water. What do you observe? You can see that salt dissolves completely in water and this solution is said to be homogeneous mixture, but sand got settled at the bottom. This is said to be heterogeneous mixture. Now we are going to learn how to separate homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Various methods of separating substances from homogeneous mixtures are given here. We are going to discuss some of the important separating methods. Evaporation. This method is used to separate soluble solid from the liquid. When we heat the soluble solid and liquid mixture, the liquid gets evaporated and we get the solid substance back. In this method, a solution is heated in order to vaporize the liquid. The vapors of the liquid, on cooling, condense into pure liquid. For example, seawater in many countries is converted into drinking water by this method. In this distillation method, fractionating columns are used. In order to separate different byproducts of petroleum, fractional distillation is used. Come children, let's discuss paper chromatography. This method is used to separate the different colored dyes in a sample of ink. A spot of ink is placed in the paper. This paper is then set in a suitable solvent. The black ink separates into its constituent dyes. As the solvent moves up the paper, the dyes are carried with it and begin to separate. They separate because they have different solubility in the solvent. Now we are going to discuss various methods of separating substance from heterogeneous mixtures. Handpicking, sieving, winnowing are used to separate the mixtures if both the components in the mixture are of solid type. Now we are going to do an easy practical at our home. Take a camphor and heat it. What do you observe? Solid camphor directly becomes vapor. This process is said to be sublimation. Solid substance, when heated, change directly from solid to gaseous state without attaining liquid state. Take a mixture of iron and sulfur. We know that iron has magnetic property. When we bring a magnet near to the mixture, all the ions are attracted by that magnet and sulfur stagnates alone. This process is called as magnetic separation. This process is centrifugation. Centrifugation is the process by which fine insoluble solids from a solid liquid mixture can be separated in a machine called a centrifuge. A centrifuge rotates at a very high speed. On being rotated by centrifugal force, the higher solid particles move down and the lighter liquid rises at the top. In milk dairies, centrifugation is used to separate cream from milk. In washing machine, this principle is used to squeeze out water from wet clothes. Centrifugation is also used in pathological laboratories to separate blood cells from a blood sample. This process is solvent extraction. Two immiscible liquids can be separated by solvent extraction method. This method works on the principle of difference in solubility of two immiscible liquids in a suitable solvent. It's assessment time. Children, identify and name the separation techniques. Excellent. Correctly answered.